It's from delivery. This is like, this is a Dogecoin. It's very sad that the dog has died. Like he got famous as a face of it, and he's the guy. Does not look that great. Wow, like थोड़ा सा better हो सकता था. Crypto, please miner rich very much. So it's like a meme coin that becomes, and this becomes a Dogecoin. And just look at it. Like it's good, but I think इस stone पे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा Dogecoin. Like see, they have printed, like they have properly printed. It's heavy. I can tell you it's like 28 to 30 grams रहता है. Plating बहुत अच्छी है, but it looks थोड़ा सा fake. Like मतलब print उन्होंने सही किया, but I think this color or this design could have been a better choice. But yeah, anyhow, link in the description. Bye bye. So if you want fan, you can buy it.